Welcome to the Nevis here in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Step inside. This bright open foyer is coastal, easy, and full of light. The great room opens up beautifully, soaring tray ceilings flowing straight through to the covered lanai. The kitchen is a true showpiece. A generous island, quartz counters, and stainless appliances open to the living space. Just off the kitchen, the dining area glows beneath a statement chandelier. And here is the primary suite, a private retreat with a tray ceiling and gorgeous natural light. The spa-inspired primary bath offers a walk-in shower, a dual vanity, and a spacious walk-in closet. The den is your flexible space, a home office or a cozy sitting room, whatever suits your life. A stylish guest bath and welcoming second bedroom greet your visitors in true beach home fashion. Then step out to the covered lanai, your private escape overlooking the water. This is the Margaritaville life. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.